How to change passcode on iPad. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to change passcode on your iPad. So to change that, just simply open your settings, and after that on the left hand side menu just simply scroll down, and over here click on Touch ID and passcode. If your iPad has Face ID enabled in it, you will have the option which says Touch ID and passcode. Now you have to enter your current passcode to unlock the iPod that you use currently. And once that's done, just simply scroll down, and over here you'll have the option which says change passcode. You need to first enter your current passcode over here, and now you have to enter your new passcode, and your old passcode will be there till 72 hours for people who usually forget their password after changing it. You also have different options like you can use 4-digit numeric code, 6-digit numeric code, or a custom numeric code, or you can also make it alphanumeric code if you want to. I'm going to stick to a 6-digit numeric code for now. Now just enter the new passcode. Just re-enter to confirm and click on this, and now your passcode has been changed. So this is basically how you will be able to change passcode on iPad. I hope you find this video to be helpful.